Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making an extra large ring light that is perfect for your photography or DIY YouTube videos. Now this ring light does not cost as much as most ring lights, and it's really easy to put together. We're actually gluing it all together with E6000 glue. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make an extra large ring light. I'm going to leave a link in the description to everything I used for this ring light, so just take a look down there. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.